Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you are returning crew, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video we are doing our April BOXYCHARM. So you guys know how these videos are. I am going to be showing you the products, I'm going to try them on, and with my BOXYCHARM, when there's a palette, I do like to do a full-blown look with the palette, so that's what I'm going to do. I hope you guys stay and watch, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Just hit that subscribe button and be part of the crew. So if you guys want to see what I got in my April BOXYCHARM box, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I see in the box is this tinted brow gel. This is from the Brow Gal, and you guys, they sent me light hair 03, which is very light for me for sure, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Why not? It's in the box. So you guys, I forgot to show you the theme for this month, so let's go and rewind. So this is the card this month. This one is very different. It's like one of those folding cards thingy, and the theme for this month is eye candy. Very colorful, very Candy Johnson. And then you have these pretty girls down here. They're probably beauty creator. For them, they're Boxy babes is what they call them. And then when you fold it out, you have all the products right here. They also have pictures, so that's something different, and it tells you how much it is, little tips on how you should use it. Or did they took that out? They did, but it just gives you information of the products in the box. Like I was saying, this brow gel right here is way too light for me. You guys see it? That is way too light for me. You guys know me, I love my dark brows, but I'm gonna try it anyways because it's in the box. You never know, I might go lighter later with my hair, and this will come in handy. So let's see how much this retails. This tinted gel retails for $22. Ooh, yeah, that is like really light. The spoolie is really tiny. I think it'd be perfect for your brows, so I'm gonna do it anyways. Ooh, yeah, it definitely lightens your hair. Yeah, I'm just putting it on. I don't care. This is a try-on video, so I'm gonna try it. It definitely tints your hair. See, it probably doesn't hurt on the front of my brows, because my front of my brows is always so dark. Like I said, this will work probably if you have a lighter hair than I do. So the next thing in the box is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is a pore purifying mask. It looks like this. This is pretty big too. And this bad boy right here is a whopping $47. Wow. Like I said, Dr. Brandt is a expensive brand, but they do work. I have the other ones in my shower, and I use it once or twice a week, and it does really help my pores. It helps my skin, so always excited to get a Dr. Brandt products. So this is definitely gonna be used and loved. So the next thing in the box is these two brushes right here. They are so pretty, you guys. The detailing of this brush is so pretty. So this is from the company SL Miss Glam. This duo right here retails for $38.50. So we have the ombre lilac right here, and this, look you guys, look at the details. All their brushes has like diamonds, and this one is a packing brush. So this right here is $38.50. That is quite expensive, to be honest, but we'll see how they perform. So that brush we're gonna be using with this palette right here. This is a palette from Colourpop. They sent out a few palettes, and the palette that I got is Element of Surprise. This is, like I said, from Colourpop. This beauty right here retails for $16. So there's 12 shades in this palette, and it's $16. This is the cheapest of all the products in this box, and it's a full palette. I love Colourpop. I use a lot of their products and their concealer is my go-to, so I know I'm gonna love this palette. Look how pretty the packaging is. That is gorgeous. I love the color. So at the back you have all the names of the shadows. So this is what the palette looks like. I swatched them already, so you can see my claw marks in there already. Yeah, so it's really pretty. So you have that one pop of color right there. That is, what is that called? This is Subdue right here. That is really pretty. I love this color right here. Oh, I love this whole palette. I don't know what the other palette looks like, but I'm really happy with the one that I got. I have no idea what I am doing. We're probably just gonna do something simple, just, you know, to show you how amazing Colourpop palettes are. Their shadows, the blendability is amazeballs. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go prep my lid really quick and I will be right back. So you guys, let's go ahead and take this shade right here. This is Details, and I'm applying that to my crease. So I'm gonna keep that color right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it right here too. And whatever's left on the brush, I'll just bring it in a little bit. And now I'm going to take this shade right here, it's Peace of Mind, and I'm just going to darken up the outer V. I'm going to take this brush right here, the other brush that came in the box, and I'm just going to pack on that shade. So I want the outer V to be a really deep color, so I'm gonna try to take this one right here. This is Late Night, and we're gonna pack that on, and hopefully that will make it darker. So I'm just taking the blending brush and the first shade that we took, which is Details, and we're just gonna blend the top just a little bit. So you guys, you know where this is going. We're going to be doing cut crease. I know cut crease is taking over my channel, but it's such an amazing look to do all the time. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to try to stay away from it. Probably not. We're just going to take this one right here and let's see how it looks with, you know, the shadows that we have on already. You guys, that is really pretty. So now I'm gonna take this one right here and maybe a little bit of that, and we're just gonna blend the middle. So before I apply my lashes and get on with the rest of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna do on the bottom. I'm just gonna take Peace of Mind and what is this one? Late Night. I'm gonna mix those and I'm just gonna apply that to my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Details and we're just gonna blend the bottom so it's not so harsh. So that's all I'm gonna do to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, tight line, and apply black gel liner on my waterline, and I will be right back. So you guys, this is what this eyes look like with a pair of lashes. So I've been loving doing my wing from the bottom. So I line my, you know, my waterline with the gel liner, and then I just bring it all the way out. I think it works better for me having a hooded lids. I love it. I've been loving it. That's what I've been doing with my wing lately. I really enjoy it. So now I'm gonna take this one right here, which is Rayon, and I'm gonna use that for my inner highlight and also my brow bone. So you guys, the eyes are done. I am in love with it. I am really been loving that under eye wing. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video with the last product in the box, which is a MAC lipstick. This is the shade that I got. I think that's the shade that's inside. So this lipstick retails for $21. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this beautiful color on my lips. This is in Dionysus. Correct me if I said that wrong. So you guys, this is the look that I created with the palette, and this is what the lip looks like on me. I really love the color of these lips. I don't know if it goes with our eyes, but I love the dark lipstick. I love the dark lips. I think it doesn't matter. It could be spring, it could be summer. I'll be rocking my dark lipstick because that's just what I prefer. I know everybody loves the nudes, but I do love my dark lipstick. So you guys, that's all the products in my April BOXYCHARM box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, try on, and also I love doing tutorials with the palette in the box. I will do that with all of the palette that I get in this box. I think my favorite part of makeup is the eyes. I love creating, I love trying out new things on my eyes, so I will be doing that with all my unboxing. So you guys, what do you think of this month's box? If you are subscribed to them, how do you like your box? Did you get the same palette as I did? Let me know on the comments below. But the products that I love the most is the palette for sure, because it's the cheapest in the box, and you know, you can create so many looks. So it's only $16 and I love it. You know, Colourpop is such a good company. Their products is amazing. The brow gel, the tinted brow gel, obviously it didn't do anything for me because of my dark hair, so that will be put aside for now. And the mask, of course, I mean, who doesn't love mask? And it's from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is such an expensive product, but they do work, so I do enjoy having that in our box. What else? The brushes did what they're supposed to do, no complaint there. The prices though of the brushes, they are a little high for me. For the 2 brush, it is almost $40, so I think you can get a whole set of brush for that amount, but it did what it's supposed to. I had other good brushes, but it did what it's supposed to. So that's everything that in my box. Let me know which one is your favorite products and what do you guys think of the look that I came up with. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for always watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you want to be part of the crew, just hit that subscribe button. That's all you got to do. So yeah, thank you guys for being here, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.